Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. In this video, we will talk about Chamfer tool inside PTC Creo Parametric. So without further ado, let's simply dive in. Okay, so here we can see we are in our computer screen and I already have opened PTC Creo Parametric part modeling environment. Now, Chamfer is also very easy guys, just like around. You have got these types of chamfer available. The first one is edge chamfer. Then we also have got this corner chamfer. So let's start with edge chamfer. So as soon as we selected it, here we can see we have got this kind of UI. Now what we need to do here is we simply need to select the edge where we would like to add chamfer, and now here we can actually provide value. So let's say I would like to make a chamfer of 1.5. There we go guys, here we have provided this value. Now the situation could be anything. Instead of defining one value and by default angle, you would like to define two different value. So one value is 1.5 and another value is 1. So in this way guys, this is another variant of chamfer, I would say. The first one was by default D into D. The second one was D1 into D2. And let's actually do it so that I can show you. Okay, so this one is D1 into D2. Similarly, if I again click on chamfer, and then here I can go with angle into D. So now instead of providing two linear value, here we can provide one angular value and one numerical value. So again, it totally depends on you or what kind of chamfer you would like to create. So here we have created a chamfer where the offset value from this edge is 1 and the angle is 30 degree. Okay, now let's go here and let's add one more chamfer. Now in this one we can also go with O into O. Okay, and in this way guys we can create this. Now we also can go with O1 into O2. Now again in this case as well we can define two different value. For example, this one I can make it 5. Okay, and this one is still 2.8. So in this way guys, we can create chamfer inside PTC Creo Parametric. Now let's see the last type of chamfer that is available, which is known as corner chamfer. So as the name suggests, this chamfer is generally being added at the corner. Now let me quickly create this chamfer here. So I just have selected that particular vertex. Now here we can see we have got these three values. So in this way guys, also we can create this chamfer, which is kind of 3D, or I would say a variable chamfer where the value is continuously varying or changing. So in this way guys, we can utilize chamfer tool inside PTC Creo Parametric. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete PTC Creo Parametric series, and I will see you soon in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.